What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going through fitting a new clutch onto the Mini. Obviously you've got to pull the gearbox and everything. That will be linked above in another video, but this is literally just going to be replacing the pressure plate and the cover. So we've got the gearbox off, and you can see the plate and the clutch. We're going to get in there and take off the bolts holding the cover. So they're held on by E8 bit. I'm going to use a flathead just to pry it off. So let's compare the old clutch to the new clutch. As you can see, you've got these sort of wear grooves on the new clutch, whereas they're almost essentially gone on here. The clutch wasn't slipping just yet, but the pedal was getting really high. You can see it's pretty well scorched in there compared to that. So now what we want to do is get in there with some brake cleaner, clean that all up, and then we'll get to fitting the new one.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do.
You want to put the raise bit down in, and then we'll fit the it's a universal clutch alignment tool. Have it done up nice and tight. The workshop manual states that it can be fitted at any orientation.
Now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we...
Depending on your bulb size, you have different torque specs, as you can see here. Mine were at M8, so 23 newton meters. They're going to go around and do them all. So clutch is all in, all tightened up, nicely centralised, torqued up. And next thing is, you just want to make sure it's clean on the springs. Just give that a little wipe down, and yeah, we'll get onto the release bearing. With your clutch release fork, you want to pop the bearing off. There's the old one, give it a clean up, and then literally your new one just will clip in, as so, and away you go. What you might want to do is give these two contact points a bit of lube, like silicone grease will be perfect for it, before reinstalling back in the gearbox. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and I'll see you in the next one.